Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a tiled over a letter in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add a tiled over letter. Now select from text box. Now type from a letter. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol, then we can see is the more symbol. Now select other symbol, then click for a ascend symbol. Now click for insert option. Now click for a close. That it's. Now you can see add a tiled over image over letter in Publisher, then again another text and that letter type. Now going to the again insert menu option, then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol. Now click for a select from the symbol. Now click for insert. Now click for close. That is. Now you can see add a tiled over letter in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.